Kia ora, today I'm going to try upcycling. Now, I found this bedside table on Trade Me, but it doesn't really have the look that I'm going for in my bedroom. So I've seen a couple of videos online and it looks pretty easy. So we're going to attempt to, give this set of drawers a new lease on life. So let's see how it goes. So the first thing we're going to do is take the hardware off the drawers. These handles are actually pretty cool. I don't mind them, but they don't really go with the colour that I'm thinking of painting this bedside table. So we'll take them off, we'll try use them in another project, and then we'll give it all a good wipe down before we start painting. I've just got changed into some painting overalls because you want to make sure that you don't get paint on whenever you're wearing, and I'm a very messy person, so better to be safe than sorry. And we're just going to start by painting the drawers first. Now we're using chalk paint, which means we actually don't have to sand it back too much. It has a really good grip onto the wood, so we'll do a couple of layers of that, and then we'll start sanding just this top part because it does have these scratches here. So we'll get started and see how it goes. You want to make sure that you wipe between sanding and painting, just because if some of the dust particles get stuck, you're going to be able to see that through the paint. So again, you just want to make sure that all the surfaces are nice and clean, all the dust is removed, including any bits of sand that might have got everywhere. So we're just going to tape around the edges again, just because we don't want any paint to get on this nice freshly sanded wood. So I'm going to go around and tape that just to protect it a little bit. So we're just going to start painting the unit, so that'll give us a bit more time for the drawers to dry, and then while this is drying we'll be able to do the second coat on the drawers, so we're making the most of our time. This is where like the magic happens, because you kind of get to see the lighter, now you get to see like the light wood with the like lighter colour. We've just finished our painting and let it dry, so we ended up doing about 2 coats of paint and then just like touch-ups or anything that needed a bit more work. And now we're just going to seal it with some chalk paint wax. So you've got to put it on the cloth and then apply it, so hopefully it all goes well. So I found these really cool rattan handles on Trade Me and thought they would go really well with this kind of blue beachy colour. So we're just going to pop them on the drawers to give it, that really nice coastal look. So here's the final product. I'm pretty stoked with how it turned out. It's going to look so much better in my bedroom now. It's definitely got that coastal look with this beautiful blue ducky colour and also the rattan handles. So yeah, it's going to look so much better in my room now, and I definitely recommend giving upcycling a go if you want to, save something from going into landfill, also just giving something a bit of a new lease on life.